medyo yung oras kasi Ora de Peligro, no? But we understand. So, as Pivo said earlier, this is about extending our gratitude to all of you. Maraming salamat po sa suporta throughout the year. Pero sabi nga niya, aside from appreciation, this is also about us having fun. So, nag-enjoy po ba kayo sa aming very simple, maliit na programa at syempre, piging? So, I hope you did enjoy. Yun lang po. So, thank you for 2024. In 2025, Year of the Snake. So, I believe, parang nabasa ko, it's about, it's not going to be smooth sailing now, but it will be about overcoming challenges. So, we look forward to that. We look forward to your continued support and partnership and collaboration. Maraming exciting things po ang mangyayari sa InLife, starting off with the integration of our recently announced Generali acquisition. And aside from that, marami pa po kaming mga initiatives. And we are looking forward to partner with all of you on that. And hopefully, we know kasi na your support and collaboration is key for us to be able to rally and promote, InLife's trust of providing a lifetime for good for Filipinos. So again, maraming salamat po to our media partners. Merry Christmas!
Siguro, first of all, I'd like to thank everyone for coming. Thank you very much for supporting InLife. And it is our little way of thanking all of you. At the back, when we go to on our separate ways, we're actually going to put boxes outside. I'm just here to explain what the meaning of those boxes are. I think you're all aware naman that our InLife Dream Weaver is Sharon Cuneta, and I think you're aware of what Mag Sharon is, especially now, holiday season. Everything is about Sharon. So, tied doon yung boxes, and it will also be tied to what we will be releasing in the next few days, or very soon, and you will find out why that box is related to what we will be releasing very soon. So, I hope you will watch out for it, and if you want to write about it, thank you very much. Merry Christmas!